If you tend to end up with lots of rice that ends up drying out or getting thrown in the trash, then save that rice because you can use that to make these cheesy, aromatic Venezuelan torticas, which are going to be air fried. No grease, no sogginess, perfect, crisp, light rice fritters. Let's start. Torticas de Arroz con Queso are crispy rice patties, really common in Venezuelan homes and usually pan fried. We're gonna take the extra grease from pan frying out and air fry these instead. Using day-old rice is best. Easier to make them crispy. It's common to use white cheddar. Egg is a great binder and then some flavorings. These torticas are light, fragrant from the cilantro and the onions. So put all these ingredients together in a large bowl and they should hold together once completely mixed together. This recipe is part of a collaboration called Venezuela Cuisine with some fellow cooking creators. Check out that hashtag down below. And this mix should not feel wet or sticky. If it's too loose by chance, and you don't have any more rice left, add a bit of breadcrumbs or just add more rice if you have that. If it's too dry, add a bit more egg. Just beat it on the side and add a teaspoon at a time to get the right consistency. So we're gonna shape them now. In case you're not wearing gloves, you will want to put some oil on your hands. And to help keep them evenly crisp, we're gonna shape them a bit smaller than what you would do if you were pan frying it. When it's smaller, it'll be easier to get an even crisp in the air fryer. So preheat the air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and then once it's hot, arrange the fritters or the torticas in the basket. The spacing that you have over here will really help to make sure that the airflow is even and goes all around to get every one of these fritters crispy. And then spray the tops with generous amounts of olive oil. Now let this cook for about 5 or 6 minutes and then carefully flip it and spray the other side as well. For me it took about 8 minutes on each side to get this perfect crisp. This over here looks simply amazing. The texture, the crispiness. Let's try it. So this over here is my air fryer twist on traditional Venezuelan torticas de arroz con queso. And if you love air fryer recipes that fix mistakes and use leftovers, subscribe and watch my air fryer mistakes video next.